Some people don't need to say a word for others to feel it. There is something about their presence that stands out, something subtle yet undeniable. They walk into a room and energy shifts. Eyes turn, reactions happen. Not because they are seeking attention, but because they carry something different within them. This message is about the hidden marks that reveal a chosen one. Signs most people try to hide but can never fully conceal. The first mark is intensity in the eyes. Chosen ones often have a deep, penetrating gaze. Their eyes seem to look beyond appearances, beyond words, beyond masks. This is not intimidation, it is awareness. When someone has seen truth early in life, it leaves an imprint. The eyes reflect a soul that has observed, endured, and awakened. The second mark is emotional depth. Chosen ones feel more than others. Joy feels expansive, pain feels sharp, and injustice feels personal. They are often called too sensitive, but sensitivity is not weakness, it is perception. Only souls with strength are trusted with emotional depth, because it allows them to understand suffering, empathy, and healing at a level others never reach. The third mark is discomfort with superficial environments. Chosen ones struggle in shallow conversations, empty routines, and meaningless distractions. They feel drained by places where authenticity is absent. This is because their soul craves truth, depth, and purpose. They were not designed to blend into noise. They were designed to see through it. The fourth mark is early life pressure. Many chosen ones face challenges, rejection, or responsibility at a young age. While others were protected, they were tested. This is not cruelty, it is preparation. Pressure reveals strength. Fire refines gold. The weight placed on them early shapes the resilience they will need later. The fifth mark is a natural resistance to false authority. Chosen ones respect wisdom, not titles. They sense when leadership lacks integrity or when systems are built on illusion. This does not make them rebellious. It makes them aligned. They cannot submit to structures that conflict with their inner truth. The sixth mark is isolation that feels imposed, not chosen. Seasons of solitude often appear unexpectedly in their lives. Relationships fade, paths separate, silence increases. This isolation is not abandonment, it is alignment. In silence, chosen ones reconnect with their inner voice and sharpen their discernment. The seventh mark is the way people react to them. Some feel inspired, others feel threatened. Some feel drawn closer, others instinctively pull away. Chosen ones activate unresolved parts in others simply by existing. Light does not need permission to expose darkness. It does so naturally. The eighth mark is restlessness even during comfort. Even when life appears stable, something inside feels unfinished. Chosen ones sense they are meant for more, even if they cannot define it yet. This restlessness is not dissatisfaction, it is remembrance. The soul recognizes a mission before the mind understands it. The ninth mark is an unshakable inner knowing. Despite doubt, setbacks, or confusion, chosen ones feel a quiet certainty that their life has meaning. They may question the path, but never the calling. This inner knowing is what keeps them moving forward when logic fails and support disappears. These marks are not meant to inflate ego. They are not badges of superiority. They are responsibilities. Being chosen does not mean life is easier. It means it is deeper, heavier, more demanding. But it also means more meaningful. If you recognize these marks within yourself, understand this. They were never meant to be hidden forever. They were meant to mature, to be refined, and eventually to be used. Chosen ones are revealed not by what they claim, but by what they carry, quietly, consistently, and courageously. Another mark that often reveals a chosen one is their relationship with truth. You feel physical discomfort when you lie to yourself or accept illusions just to maintain peace. Even when the truth costs you relationships, comfort, or stability, something inside you refuses to live anesthetized. This inner intolerance to falsehood exists because chosen ones are designed to carry clarity. Their soul rejects illusion the same way the body rejects poison. There is also a subtle but powerful mark. Chosen ones often carry a quiet authority without trying. They don't dominate conversations, yet people listen when they speak. They don't demand respect, yet their presence commands it. This authority does not come from ego or confidence training. It comes from alignment. When a soul is aligned with truth, purpose, and inner coherence, it naturally radiates weight. Others feel it, even if they can't explain why. Stop trying to look normal. Stop trying to dim what makes you different. Those marks were never a mistake. They were the signal.